Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you today on how you can view a Instagram's link history. Now, this will only work for your personal, so I'll show you how you can view that in today's video. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are doing this for a specific reason. I don't know what reason it might be, but it's for a specific reason. Now, anyways, let's head over to the profile section and click on the bottom right hand corner and go to the top right hand corner and click the three lines. Now, upon that, you're going to want to scroll down to the very bottom of the page until you get to, I believe it is your activity here. Sorry about that, but it's going to be on your activity at the top where it says how you use Instagram. Now scroll your way all the way down until you get to the how you use Instagram tab. Fourth option, very last one on this tab, but click link history, and here you'll be able to view all of your link history and basically see what kind of links a person was on and all of that. Um, and basically, that's how you see all of that. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all for another video.